Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MGTI. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above $2.10. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $2.10, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be the bottom of this little consolidation phase right here, and that sits at about $1.90. So $2.10, $1.90, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, though, and looking at things from a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is just going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic way, but highly effective at the same time to gauge the strength of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the price action's in full control. However you can best visualize that, that's what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying up above $2.10 would be great, but from the big picture of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because, in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance right now, not a huge priority for the chart. Top priority by far is just keep on doing what it's been doing. And what has it been doing? It's been doing this. So for you longer-term holders, you know exactly what I mean. As long as the price keeps on doing that, keeps on building those higher bases, then as you've witnessed, the chart will continue to take care of itself. And part of taking care of itself that'll happen is the price will keep on breaking those levels of resistance. So focus on building those higher lows and sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.